In this video, I will show you how to create a simple interactive tic-tac-toe game using Base44. Let's get started. I begin by typing my request into the main input field on the Base44 dashboard, asking for an interactive tic-tac-toe grid with a reset button and a dynamic turn tracker. Once I click send, the platform immediately begins building the app structure based on my requirements. I watch as it automatically generates the necessary files, including the styles, Tailwind configuration, individual game components, and the main game page. The tool seamlessly assembles the logic and design elements, and within moments, it confirms the app is ready for testing. I am then taken to the Publish screen, where I set the app visibility to public and finalize the process by clicking the Publish button. After copying the provided link to my clipboard, I open the new application in a browser to see the result. The generated game is clean and functional, allowing me to play, track turns between X and O, reset the board, and even see a win notification appear when a player connects 3 in a row. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.